Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue our series on modifiers in UModeler X. The next modifier we're going to take a look at is the Decimate Modifier. The Decimate Modifier is a fantastic tool that helps you reduce the poly count of your models while keeping as much detail as possible. This can really improve your mesh render times and overall performance, especially if you're working with complex designs or kind of preparing your model for some real-time applications or VR and things like that. By reducing the poly count, you can make your models more efficient without significantly affecting their visual quality. But keep in mind that using the Decimate modifier could change your model's overall appearance. So my opinion is you should find the right balance between polygon reduction and design integrity. Use it with caution and ensure your model still looks great. Let's see how to use it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and create a sphere. And the sphere I'm going to select is this icosphere here. It's going to be probably one of the better ways for us to actually demonstrate how the Decimate works. And it's pretty straightforward. It really comes down to honestly just you kind of playing with some of the settings and getting the result that you're kind of looking for. Because ultimately, the main goal is for you to reduce your poly count, and but you still want to keep the form of your game object, right? Without actually losing detail. It's like this weird balance that you got to kind of play with. So let's just kind of take a look at it. So on the right side in your source area, you want to go ahead and click on add. And here you're going to see decimate. So as soon as you click decimate, you're going to see some changes here. And something to take a look at is if I turn off this decimate here in the layer stack, on the top left here, I have this vertices, this basically details area box here that kind of tells me all the information I need to know how many faces I'm reducing. So for you, if you don't have this here, all you have to do is click on this display settings and go down to Edge Mesh Info and toggle this box on and off. And there you have it, that there. Great. So really, all you have to do is once you have your Decimate modifier on, what you would do is kind of mess with the aggressiveness, and you can kind of reduce this or decrease it depending on what you need, and anywhere between the ratio, increasing or decreasing the ratio. What I found is pretty good ratio, manipulating the ratio, and then also turning on, I believe it's this the smart link. That's going to help with averaging some of those things out there and kind of keeping that look that you might be going for, and determining how aggressive this is going to be. And it's just a fine balance between that. So really, at the end of the day, the Decimate modifier is designed for you to kind of reduce poly count. Um, and you just got to kind of find your own balance when using it. All right. So that's pretty much it with the Decimate modifier. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any new ideas for new modifiers, be sure to share them with me directly. I love to chat about new features. Make sure to stay up to date with all the latest features and updates by hitting that subscribe button and clicking the notification bell. By doing so, you'll never miss out on any of the exciting updates. I'll see you in the next one.